Okay, so what I'm going to discuss in today's session, I'm going to discussing about. Can you please confirm all of you whether my voice is clear or not? Is my voice is clear for everyone or not? Can you please confirm? Okay, right. Thank you. So what I'm going to discuss in today's session, we are going to completely focusing on the Azure data engineering over here. Okay, Azure data engineering. Okay, before starting up the session, let me try to open the notepad. Let's go to. Give me a second. Okay, I just want to give a small introduction about my organization and what are all the facilities we are providing for the students who is going to join these demo sessions and regular classes. So my name is Ram Boyapati. I have around 13 plus years of IT experience. I was working for all these technologies as skill server, MSBA, the data analysis of Power BI, Snowflake, Fabric, all these technologies. What I've been working from last 30 to 14 years of experience, and I have 8 plus years of IT trainings and a placement assistance experience also we have. I started this e-classes training institution in 2016. You can visit our website as well. So this is our website where you can able to find out over here. And also we are going to provide the trainings and placements from the e-classes. We are located in the Hyderabad Amirpet location. You guys can visit our office anytime, and we are able to like you can able to come to our office. This is our office infrastructure. You can come and sit in our office and you can practice anytime in our office as well. Okay, right. Now, for every student whoever is going to join this Azure data engineering course, with the free of cost, we are going to provide LMS portal login as well. So for every student, we are going to give this LMS portal as well. Okay, so this is our LMS portal. Here you can able to find out a lot of courses over here. So every day we are going to take our live sessions as well inside this Azure data, inside this LMS portal only. So every day, the live sessions we are going to take inside this one, and also daily once the class completed, we are going to take that class recording videos also, the class recording videos also inside this one, and daily class notes, free test cases, free courses, sample resume, certifications, and you can able to put the chat personally and a group chat as well. You can interact with our trainers even after the class also for practicing purpose. When you are practicing the sessions, you may not have a trainer interactivity right in other institutions. So that is the reason in our institution, anytime you can reach out our trainers through the chat when you are practicing over here. Okay, so that is one option through our LMS portal. So LMS portal is for like login from the laptop only. No, you can have a mobile app as well. We are giving free of cost for every student one mobile app also. With that mobile app, you can watch the recording videos, you can join the live sessions, you can chat with our trainers as well. So these are all the facilities we are providing for every student whoever is joining. It's a free of cost. I have written 3 books so far on this Azure data engineering course. Okay, most of the students whoever is going to join this Azure data engineering training, as per my experience from last 10 years, I have observed there are four category of the people who are joining these demo sessions. The first category is about like a, let's take an example. Mostly the students, their qualification, either a graduation or a post graduation over here. They have completed a graduation or a post graduation. So let's take the category one. In the category one, 2010 to 2023 passed out in between student, and once he passed out, he got a IT job as a fresher, and so far he got 9 years of Java experience or whatever, any technology. So they are already in IT, they gained some knowledge and experience on a different technology, but now there is a huge demand in the market for Azure data engineering. They want to learn Azure data engineering course, and they want to apply for the jobs on this Azure data engineering course. So definitely, these kind of people, when they're going to joining on this Azure data engineering, they have like a 2 to 5 years of experience jobs only they will apply. How they are going to apply for 2 to 5 years? Whatever the existing IT experience they have, they will break down into some experience on the Azure, some experience of their previous experience. This is category one. Category one is they are already in IT. Now they want to learn, they want to upskill their knowledge on Azure data engineering course. The second category of the people, they are also passed out in between 2010 to 2023, and they are in the non-IT. Okay, they were in the non-IT. So they are like, for example, once they have completed their education, they were joining in recruiter, HR, civil, mechanical, Google Maps, or accountant, whatever it is. They were working for all these kind of jobs. Now they want to move into IT because of their less salaries or whatever it is. So now they want to learn Azure Data Engineering course. After learning Azure Data Engineering course also, they are going to apply for the jobs like a 2 to 5 years of experience jobs only. The third category is like they are also passed out of 2010 to 2023, but they don't have any work experience. They didn't work for any IT, they didn't work for any non-IT over here. That just belongs to the government jobs, groups, banks, businesses. They have some career gap over here. They have some career gap over here. So total 9 years of job over here. Total 9 years of job. So 9 years of career gap they have, not the job experience. They have 9 years of career gap. Just like I'm taking number as example. Now they want to come to IT industry. Definitely the demanding tool in the market is Azure Data Engineering. They are going to learn the Azure Data Engineering course. After learning their Azure Data Engineering course, they are going to put some experience in joining as a data engineer. This is the third category. And the fourth category is recently passed out. Okay, they are recently passed out. They are like a just trained freshers. So they want to learn this data engineering course and they want to get the job as a fresher on the data engineering. Definitely, whoever joined this demo session, you belongs to any of one category. May I know like if you belongs to category one, can you ping me a number one? If you belongs to category two, ping a number two, three, four. Can all of you? Then I can understand like how many people belongs to category two, how many belongs to one, how many belongs to three, four. So mostly I'm getting two, two, three, one, 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 one. So there are like three type of people are more in this batch. What are those? These three people. Category one, two, three. That means that means all these three category of the people. That means all these three categories of the people who are like uh, passed out long back, working for IT, non-IT, career gap people only trying to learn this course. So these three category of the people definitely they're going to apply for the jobs like a experienced after completion of the course. So when you are going to apply for the job like a experienced person, the interview expectation and work expectations. Okay, interview expectation and work expectation. Both should be in high level. Am I right or wrong? Definitely, it's true. That means, let's imagine a person who has 4 years of data engineering experience, 4 years of data engineering experience in real time is a real experience, and you are also just learning a course, but you don't have any experience on this Azure data engineering. Even though you are going to apply for the jobs like a 4 years of data engineer experience, but not in real. When you both guys are going to the interview, how can you make a competition with the person who has already real experience over here? So in such kind of situations, definitely the data engineering training what you are going to take should be in high level. Most of the students, as per my experience, what I have observed, out of 10 students in a training batches, hardly 3 to 4 people only getting the jobs. Why the remaining people were not able to get the jobs? I will tell the reason. Most of the students, they were learning any course, only one program. You were joining to a course, and they were offering a course like a 50 to 60 hours duration of the course, daily 1 hour class, and live sessions, class recording videos, daily class notes, after class also doubts, weekly test, sample resume, certification guidance, course completion certificate, and interview question and answer, end-to-end project. So these are very common things offered by every training institution. Am I right? These are the common things offered by every training institution. With this only one program, what every institution is offering, it is very difficult for you after completion of this course to compete with these persons who has a real experience in the point of interview, in the point of work. So to fulfill these things, to make a competition with the people who has already experience, definitely I will recommend every student, any course, any IT course, when you are going to learn, as a experienced profile you want to apply for the jobs, you should complete two programs. There is a program one and there is a program two. What is this program one? The program one, I told you right, the one we and every institution is offering. It's a Azure data engineering training. The actual cost of this program is 20,000, but in the offer we are providing to 14,999. So what exactly we are going to provide inside this program one? It's a 50 to 60 hours total duration of the course, daily 1 hour course. Okay, Monday to Friday. Then after every day we are taking the live sessions, class recording videos also we are going to offer it over here. Daily class notes. After the class also, if you have any doubts clarification when you are practicing, we have a chat option in our mobile app and in our LMS portal. You can reach out. You can write some weekly test, sample resumes also you can able to, we are going to provide. Certification guidance like a DP203 and a course completion certificate also we are going to provide. Some interview question and answers. End-to-end project also we are going to offer as a part of the program. So as a part of this program one, inside this Edu Data Engineering course, what is the course content we are going to offer for you? The course content what we are going to offer for you is inside this Azure Data Engineering course. I'm going to cover cloud introduction. What is a cloud? What are the different kind of clouds available? And the fundamentals of Microsoft Azure. How to create a free subscription license for Azure Data Engineering. What are the different storage services available? Like for storing of the data inside the Microsoft Azure. What are the different storage services? For ETL services, we have a Azure Data Factory, Databricks, live streaming analytics. Apart from that, we are going to cover some administration related services, logic apps, key vault, event hubs, administration, DevOps, CI/CD, Git repository. One or two sessions for Power BI also we are going to cover it over here. This is the content what we are offering in the program. Okay, so this will be completed within 50 to 60 hours duration. Then what about the program? What is the specialty of the program? In program 2, the program 1 is on weekdays, right? It's Monday to Friday. But the program 2 is weekends, Saturday and Sunday. And also, the duration of the program 2 is 30 hours. The program 1 duration is 50 to 60 hours. When this program 2 will start, this program 2 will start exactly after starting of the program 1. After 2 weeks, we will start the program. After 2 weeks, we will start this program 2 over here. Program 2 is Azure Data Engineering Placement Assistance Program. So, what we are going to cover inside this program 2? Inside this program 2, we are going to cover, we are following a kind of a agile methodology. You know agile methodology? It's like a type of project implementation. There is one methodology in companies they are following. They're creating some sprints for their projects. Similarly, we are also created some sprints, and in each sprint we have some tasks. Nearly 175 scenario-based tasks we have. Nearly 175 scenario-based tasks. Apart from the training, what we are covering, apart from the training, we are going to include 175 more scenarios. Those scenario list each sprint wise we will provide to you. You have to work on the sprint tasks on the Saturday, Sunday when we are connecting. In the Saturday, the very first 1 hour, we will discuss about each sprint, how many tasks completed, which task you are not able to do. This kind of interactivity with the trainer will happen. In the second 1 hour, we will start a project implementation as well. Then you will understand how to do the implementation of the project. The Sunday 1 hour, we are focusing on the interview preparation because when you are going to joining a interview as a experienced 4 to 5 years of experienced person, many people does not know how to tell the introduction as a experienced. They don't know how to tell the project flow. They don't know how they will ask some real time scenario based tasks. Let's, for example, they will ask a question: what are the challenges you are facing in your real world when you are implementing the projects? And the second question is, they might ask how to improve the performance of your project. These kind of questions they might ask. You will not find answers for these questions anywhere outside in the Google also. So those kind of interview end to end preparation also will be provided in the Sunday 1 hour. The finally, we are going to prepare for you a resume based on your profile and your experience because person to person experience is different. And definitely you guys have to put 3 to 4 projects in your resume. Am I right? Because you are going to put 4 years of experience. At least 3 projects you need to mention. Many institutions they are just sharing up the sample resumes that can be used by many people. All the people are using the same clients, the same projects, but here we are providing a different client names and projects for every student to keep in their resume. Okay. So that help also we are going to do. Finally, once you are ready for all this completion of this tasks, project, interview preparation, you are going to put your resume in Naukri. But the very first time when you are going to attend 2 to 3 interviews, you may lose because of lack of experience in the interview. To overcome that issue, we were conducting some mock interviews as well. Okay? So when you are attending some mock interviews, it will help you a lot. Directly you can attend the live interviews. This is program 2. This program 2 will be start exactly after 2 weeks. For example, from this Monday onwards, we are going to start this program 1. Exactly after 2 weeks, we will complete some part of the syllabus, right? Then, from the 2 weeks onwards, we are going to start this program over here. After the 2 weeks, we are going to start this program over here. This is very, very excellent program with a high success rate from our institution. Many of the students got placed. Okay, many of the students got placed because of the program. But to join the program 1, program 2, you should be a part of the program 1 as well. Okay, so 90% of the people were getting the placement after completion of these two programs. Even if you are not able to find out the placement after this by attending some interviews, then we can find out the other alternative ways how to do the placement processes. But we are expecting every student should be continuing of their completing of the two programs. They have to attend the interviews themselves. They have to get some confident knowledge, experience in interview point of view, and real time work as well. You should not use anyone help while the interview going on. You should not use anyone help when you are working in a project as well. That's what our expectation of this program too, what we are conducting over here. Okay, all right. So in the market, IT market currently for this Azure data engineers has very very good demand. That is the reason many people from out of countries, even US, Australia, UK, they were learning Azure data engineering course because of the importance of the cloud. And an average 3 to 5 years of experience Azure data engineers, they were getting a 15 to 20 lakhs of the packages. And the certification you need to write after this course is DP203. Our team will guide you and assist you how to complete this DP203 certification as well. So, what are the prerequisites to learn this course? Do we have anything prerequisites? There is no prerequisite for this course. Directly, you can start learning of Azure Data Engineering course from Monday onwards. Any recommendations along with this Azure Data Engineering course? Do I need to have any knowledge on other skill set? Yes. See, when you want to learn any course related to data, data scientist, data engineer, data analyst, you should have a basic knowledge of two courses. One is about like a SQL, another one is about a Python. Python means it's not about the complete Python. Python for data analyst, Python for data engineer, Python for data scientist. Very, very basic things is needed. Those are very easy. If you know SQL, this is very easy. If you know Python, this is very easy. Both are almost same as a data engineering point of view. So what we are offering, the people who are enrolling for this Azure Data Engineering course with a free of cost, we are providing 20 hours SQL, 25 hours Python, recording self-paced videos. This is very fair enough. So while you are joining this edu data and course, learning the live, whenever you have a time, you can watch this daily or for 2 days or 3 days. One video for SQL, one video for Python to learn the things. Very easy. This is a self-paced, only for SQL and Python. If you want to join the live sessions for SQL, live sessions for Python, yes, you can join. We are offering the live sessions also, but those are paid sessions. Okay. So we will give you free of cost SQL and Python recording videos required for data engineers. Data engineers, what kind of SQL knowledge needed, what kind of Python knowledge is needed. Only those things we were covered inside this 20 hours basic to advanced skill, basic to advanced Python over here. Okay, perfect. So before you are going to understand about learning of this Azure data engineering course, first try to understand what is Azure data engineering. Am I right? You should aware of this. What is Azure data engineering? Nowadays data is very important. Even the artificial intelligence also working based on the data. Whatever the data input you are providing, whatever the data input you are providing, based on that only artificial intelligence will be work. Okay, that is the reason data, data engineer, data scientist, data analyst, these roles are long living. What exactly data engineer will do? A data engineer simply managing, processing, storing of a business data. Simple. Any data generated in your business. For example, you have a supermarket. Daily, some customers will come to your supermarket. This is one supermarket. This is another supermarket. This is one supermarket. This is another supermarket. Daily, a customer will come to supermarket. He will buy the products. The moment when he is buying the product, immediately in the back end, the transactions data will come and store into a database. Am I right or wrong? In any business, you can see this is the common procedure we have. So this is a supermarket billing application. Billing application. This is a database. This is another billing application. This is a database. Now, as a data engineer, what you need to do is you need to pull this data, your transactions, business data, into one centralized data warehousing from different locations. From different locations, we need to pull the data. We need to pull the data. That means you need to extracting the business data, extracting the business data, and also you need to apply transformations, means cleaning of the data, cleaning and processing. Finally, load the data into target data warehousing. So this is called ETL. To do this ETL process, we need some software services. To store your data, you need some storage services. So where you can find out the softwares to do the data storage purpose, data cleaning purpose, ETL purpose, I'm going to use Microsoft Azure Cloud. So how to log into the Microsoft Azure Cloud? You can see there is a portal.azure.com. This is Microsoft Azure Cloud environment. Inside you can able to find out there are so many software services are available. You can able to log into this software services. Here you can see all the services. So in this list you can find out some ETL related services like a data factory, Databricks, live streamings, and storage related services like a storage account, blob storage, storage account, data lake gen 2, Azure SQL database, Azure Synapse. Everything you can able to find out. On the top, you just find out data factory. See, there is a data factories over here. Data factories. For example, if you want a storage account, so simply you can go to the storage accounts over here. So this is how you can able to find out. So majorly to store your data, there are two services. For example, if your data is in the form of a files, Excel files, CSV, images, audio, video, we will use these two services. Storage account with blob data legend. For storing of the data in terms of the database tables like SQL, we have two services. To do the ETL process, we have a data factory. It's a complete zero coding. That means we are going to develop some data ETL pipelines by drag and drop. The next one is about the Databricks. Here we are writing some commands. What commands? Those commands either we can write down in a SQL or in a PySpark. In this course, I'm going to teach you as a part of the Azure Data Engineering complete PySpark from basic Python to advanced PySpark. Okay, so all these services are related to the data engineering. So what I'm going to do to implement this ETL service and storage purpose, Microsoft Azure Cloud environment I'm going to use. Inside I have several storages, several ETL tools, right? By using those things, I'm going to designing of the data processing. Once your data is coming to one particular centralized location here, that data I'm going to use to design the reports and dashboards by using a Power BI. So Power BI is a reporting tool to design the reports and dashboards. The person whoever is going to design the reports and dashboards, we are calling it as a data analyst. The person whoever is going to develop this ETL tools and storage, we are calling him as a data engineer. Data engineer and data analyst over here. So here you can see there is a admin and DevOps related. There is a admin and DevOps related services also I'm going to cover as a part of this training. How to create CI/CD pipelines for deployment purpose, Git repository, Active Directory, key vaults, logic gaps, and also I'm going to take one or two sessions for Power BI how to design the reports and dashboards as well. So this is a data engineer is going to implementing of the ETL pipelines, storing of the data, designing of Power BI reports. The major role of the data engineer is this part only. Major role of the data engineer this part only. Okay. So this is all about this Azure data engineering course roadmap. What I'm going to provide for everyone to achieve their goals. Program 1 and program 2, the cost is separate. Program 1 we are offering 15,000 rupees only. Program 2 we are offering separate cost. If you guys have any queries related to this course, just reach out this number. If anybody wants to speak with me personally about your career, reach out this number. The regular sessions we are going to start from Monday onwards. The timings of the session, our team will call to everyone after this demo session. They will inform about the class timings. If anybody joined little bit late, we will share the recording video as well For that, I am expecting from everyone to share your mobile number in the GoToMeeting chat. Can you guys quickly share your mobile number, contact number in the chat? The next batch we are going to start from Monday, day after tomorrow. So definitely we are going to start these programs as per the convenient timings of everyone. Our team will reach out to you now, everyone. Please share your contact number. They will ask about your working hours. According to that, they will plan and inform you. To reach out to you, please share your contact number. When our team is calling to you, if you want to speak with me, just tell them they will make a conference with me and you can speak out. So, can all of you please share your contact numbers quickly? That will help you a lot actually. Akil Teja, Dheeraj, Sri Lekha, Ashish, Gopi Krishna, Vaishnav, Sayali, Naresh, Aditya, Captain Srikanth, Shiva, Munigiri, Shwapna. Can all of you please confirm you shared your contact number? So, how many people are looking for sessions in the morning? How many people are looking for sessions in the evening? Can you please tell morning or evening? Just type morning if you're looking, or if anybody looking evening, just type evening. According to that, we can plan it. Just type a message. If you're interested in morning, type in morning or evening, evening. You can mention your interested timings also. No problem. You can specify what time you are looking also. Don't forget to share your contact number, otherwise, you will miss the communication.